Hey guys, welcome back to Moo Moo's Journey. Today we are making the cutest little finger crochet bag. No hook needed, just your hands, some chunky yarn, and about 15 minutes of your time. This one is perfect if you are just starting out, so don't worry if you have never crocheted before. I'll walk you through every single step, nice and slow. Let's get into it. Before we start, grab your yarn. I recommend a chunky or bulky weight yarn for this because it works up so much faster and easier with your fingers. That's literally all you need. No hook, no needles, just your hands. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. We are going to start with what's called a foundation chain, and we need 5 chains. Now, if you've never made a chain before, here's what you do. Make a slip knot first, just loop the yarn, pull one end through, and tighten it gently around your finger. Once you have your slip knot on your finger, insert your finger into the loop, reach over and grab the working yarn, that's the yarn coming from the ball. Pull it back through the loop. That's 1 chain. Do that 4 more times so you have 5 chains total. Don't pull them too tight. You want them to be loose enough that you can work into them in a second. Okay, now we start round 1, and this is where it gets fun. We are going to work into those foundation chains to create 10 loops. Here's what you do. Insert your finger into the first chain, reach over to grab the yarn and pull it through. You now have a loop on your finger. Do that same thing again, insert your finger into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, and you keep going until you have 10 loops total. Take your time here. It can feel a little awkward at first, but you'll get the hang of it quickly. Just keep it loose and breathe. Now for rounds 2 through 5, we repeat the same motion, but now we are working into the loops we already made, not the chains anymore. So insert your finger into the first loop, yarn over and pull through. Then insert your finger into the next loop, yarn over and pull through. You are doing 10 of these each round. We do this for 4 rounds total, rounds 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is basically the body of your bag building up. So just keep going and you'll start to see the shape forming. It's so satisfying. All right, here is a fun little step. We are going to flip our work inside out. Just gently turn the whole thing so the inside is now facing out. Don't panic, it's supposed to look like that. This is what gives the bag its finished look on the outside. Now for round 6, the direction we insert our finger changes. Instead of going from the outside, we are now inserting our finger from the inside of the bag. Reach in from the inside, grab the yarn, and pull it through. Do this 10 times all the way around. This row helps close up the bottom of the bag and gives it that nice clean finish. For round 7, we are going to close everything up. Insert the yarn through all of the remaining loops. Work through all 10 loops and pull the yarn tight to cinch the bottom closed. This is basically finishing up the bag body, so pull it snug and secure it. It's almost done. Now for the handle. Take the leftover tail of yarn on the left side of the bag, insert your finger from the outside, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then chain 8. Just like how we made our foundation chain at the beginning, insert finger, yarn over, pull through, do that 8 times. Then take that chain and connect it to the other side of the bag by pulling it through and securing it. And that's your handle done. And that's it. Your finger crochet bag is completely done, and it honestly took no time at all. I hope you guys found this easy to follow. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out. If you made one, please share it with me. I would love to see your versions. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. It really does help the channel so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!